Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Come hang out with me while I get ready. First, I'm going to go ahead and prime using the Illuminating Rodale primer. This is a lightweight primer that gives you a glow. Next, I'm going to color correct using the Jacka Black Liquid Corrector. Next, I'm going to use my Tarte Liquid Moisturizer instead of foundation. Now I'm going to conceal using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is the shade Medium. Now I'm going to try this Ofra banana powder that I got in my latest BoxyCharm box to set under my eye. And to set my entire face, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade Sun Beige. And I'm also doing this just to have a little extra coverage. I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows with my Benefits Gimme Brow Gel. This is one of my favorites. I'm going to bronze my face with my Benefits Hoola Matte Bronzer. For blush, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Partay. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, well my eyelashes, I'm sorry, with my Dare Real mascara, another one of my favorites. Next, I am lining my lips with the Steve Laurent lip liner, and the color is Vogue. I'm going for a natural lip. for lip color, I am using Dose of Colors, and the color that I'm using is Nude Mood. So that's it. My face is all set. Now it's time to work on my hair. All right, y'all, I'm pressed for time, so I had to try to give y'all a 2-in-1. So basically for my hair, I put the serum on just to break the cast and kind of loosen up my curls, and then just gonna take the pick and shake my hair up real quick. I'm trying to get my part to grow in on this side, so I have to kind of just let it do what it's gonna do on its own. And then that's it for the hair. Like that, like so. And that's all I do for the hair. I'm not gonna brush the sides because I'm growing them in, so I'm kind of letting that texture just grow in come on in on the side. And so real quick, let me show you what I have on. So I just threw on my Doc Martens. These are the jeans that I wore in a previous Boohoo try-on haul, and this is my sweater from Walmart that you guys also seen. And that is it. About to go get me some tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, let me apologize for all the light changing that was going on in the video. I have a new ring light, so I'm trying to play with it, figure out what's the best lighting to use. So I kept playing with it while I was doing my makeup to try to figure out which one was working, what wasn't. So be patient with me with the lighting. But that is it. Your girl is ready. I actually got one more video to record real quick before I get out of here. So thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.